Hey guys, this is Daystar Gaming YouTube channel. So we are going to talk about the new Android 12 rumors. So let's get started. Please note that all of the said information are still not 100% accurate, as all of these news are still not out in the public and the following has been told on the following leaks and rumors. But this is what we can expect. So we are going to talk about the Android 12 rumor hub, everything confirmed and everything has been updated till February 15th by androidauthority.com. So as of now, Android 11 is the latest version of Google's mobile OS. Although many devices are still running on older Android generations, there are plenty of surrounding forthcoming Android 12 rumors. If we are wondering what would be the name of Android 12, it could be Snow Cone, and the initial code name for Android 11 was the Red Velvet Cake. Internal code name for Android 10 was Quinstart. For the Android 12, the code name would be Snow Cone. This is nothing but the internal code name. So let's get started with the Android 12 features. Now, the rumored Android 12 features are smarter app storage management. The whole concept of this is like sick apps occupying storage. App hibernation could play a pivotal role in how Android 12 manages the footprint of these devices. The features already included in the Android open source project, and it will be effectively allowing the Android OS to clear an app's cache if it is labeled as hibernating. It's very unclear what constitutes the hibernating app. However, we don't know if status is determined by the OS or the user. Additionally, we don't know if the feature will support the other storage management such as compressing unused apps or clearing system cache. The next feature we expect is Android Runtime as the mainline module. In what could be the Android 12's most big new feature is Google planning to turn its Android Runtime ART into a project mainline module. This would theoretically mean that the company would push major updates to the ART through the Play Store. This would improve the pace of delivering updates and making the process most seamless across all the phone manufacturers. What this means is that it translates the OS's bytecode into a machine language understood by the device's CPU, so the integral part that ART is kept up to date. Streamlining its updates could therefore improve Android's update as a whole. The next feature is managing two apps as a single task. Google hasn't turned its back on multitasking in Android 12. Some evidence suggests that Google is working on a feature called App Pairs. This would allow the users to open two applications in the Android's recent menu as a single task. This is nothing but a similar feature found in the Samsung's App Pair feature on the One UI. It also allows users to simultaneously open two apps via the Edge panel. Microsoft Surface Duo also has a very similar feature as well. However, the feature would be a boom for larger phones and foldables, and even for tablets. It would obviously simplify toggling between a split screen and full screen apps in the recent menu. The next feature is what we are into is improved game controller support. Google is looking forward to improve support for third-party game controllers, according to XDA's Mishal Rahman. Android currently features an API to manage controllers' haptic feedback, but it does not give developers access to fine-tune the amplitude of the rumbles. The result, they are unable to create the custom vibrations varying in the strength or pattern, which is a very important factor in modern games. Now, it seems that Google will be addressing these issues, and let's see what's going to happen. The next feature is restricted network mode. A revised networking management mode could arrive on Android 12. It would give the OS more control over the applications which require the internet. According to XDA, the feature will take the form of block list activated by a setting in the OS. this toggle will be likely accessible by the user, but it's unclear if the actual block list can be user tweaked. Judging by the comments merged to the AOSP, the feature that will only allow the certain apps with connectivity use restricted permission to utilize the network. All other applications will be barred from communication from the outside world. Android 11 already has one-time location permission as per app basis. A restricted networking mode would be valuable to improving user privacy. The next feature is for scrolling screenshot support. It's been a long-running rumor before Android 10 that in July 2020, Google's Dan Sadler confirmed that the scrolling screenshot support didn't quite make the cut for Android 11. This is because developers intend to build a platform that all apps could utilize, but there's no confirmation that scrolling screenshot support would come in. Now, the next feature which we know is pixel double tap actions. When Android 11's developer preview arrived, it packed a nifty double tap feature that could be enabled by some work on the user's end. It lets users of Pixel phones control the hardware or launch applications with the back of the tap of the phone. It wasn't an essential control method, but it was a useful way to access important features without touching the screen. Unfortunately, it never made it to Android 11's stable build, but this feature may return in Android 12. The next feature we are going to talk about is Wi-Fi password sharing via Nearby Share. As you know, Nearby Share has made its debut in mid-2020, giving the Android 11 the airdrop-like functionality. This is a chance that it could be used to share passwords with users in the vicinity. The next feature we are going to talk about is the more expansive theming support. Android 11's native customizations are pretty limited. Users can only switch between a light and dark mode, but this could change according to a new report spotted by 9to5 Google. Android 12 may let users select from a primary and accent colors for their custom OS themes. This wouldn't affect the quick settings menu and other UI elements. It could affect the apps that are built to support in it too. It is more similar to the Windows 10. Now, the Android 12 UI is the next feature we are going to talk about. The enhanced theming support may not be the only major UI tweak coming to Android 12. As per the report, the new OS may entirely wear a new look compared to the Android 11. For starters, Android 12 may set to look a new widget dubbed as Conversations. This widget displays recent contact info from statuses to messages. Judging from the notifications panel, this widget may display info from major messengers, not just Google's own products. The next feature we are talking about is the improved privacy features. Now, screenshots also suggest that Android 12 will take privacy and app access to critical sensors more seriously. The pill top button in the top right of the status panel to which app has access or are currently using the camera and microphone. Tapping it will also tell the users if an app recently accessed these features. This is nothing but it's like in the iOS 14 this thing has come in. Like it shows if some application is using a microphone or camera, it will automatically show you in a dot. And that's in the iOS. We also expect this in the Android 12. Another screenshot also suggests that it would have a dedicated privacy page with easier access for managing permissions and kill switches to camera, microphone and locations. However, it's not clear that how many users will gain access to this page. Big feature we're going to talk about, which is the one-handed mode. Phones are getting bigger, it's more and more difficult to use them one-handed. Just try to reach over your thumb of the phone with one hand and you'll see the problem. However, in the recent years, OEMs have used applications and Android skin design to make one-handed easier. Now it's possible that one-handed feature could land within Android 12. So we're going to talk about the next feature, which is the Material Design 3.0. In 2014, Google announced Material Design, a design language meant to unify all its products, including Android. Eventually, it launched an updated version of Material Design that developers refer to as the Material Design 2.0. But it seems seems by XDA that a new iteration of the material is on the way. But unfortunately, we only have the inking. But unfortunately, we don't know what it's going to be because these are just the rumors. This is the last feature we're going to talk about, and this is the last feature or the last rumor we know according to the Android 12 rumors. That is the face-based auto rotate. When you rotate your phone into a landscape mode, it will often auto rotate the contents of your display for you. This could be based on the gyro sensors within the phone. It could be also happening through the manual press buttons or through even the settings in particular applications, as seen by 9 to 5 Google through a new method of auto rotate sensing which could land with the Android 12 as an exclusive for the Pixel phones. A new leak shows that this feature would be used with the orientation of the face, whether it is in the landscape or the portrait mode, for showing more accuracy, like some phones that do not have it right now. Like when you actually put it into landscape mode and it stays in the portrait mode, some things like that would get fixed if this comes. But it's unclear that how it would be more faster or efficient than using the gyro sensors. It's also unclear if this would be an exclusive feature for the Pixel phones. So stay tuned for more updates as we get to the launch of Android 12. So this is what we have for today, guys. Which of the rumored Android 12 features would you like to see to make the cut? Let us know in the comment sections below. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to Gaming. Thank you.